Alright, let's settle this. If you've been wondering which is the best way to play your retro games in 2025, you're in the right place. It's like picking between a dedicated arcade machine or your everyday PC setup. Let's break down RetroBat versus Batocera. First up is Batocera. Think of it as a console only experience. No distractions. You plug it in and bam, you're in retro heaven. 200 plus systems from Atari to PSG with a clean no frills interface. The cool part, it's lightning fast even on low-end PCs or Raspberry Pi. No Windows headaches here, just pure emulation. But here's a catch. It's a walled garden, no other apps, no distractions. Want a Netflix break between games? Not gonna happen. Now RetroBat, this is the hybrid setup you never knew you needed. It runs on Windows so you get all your retro games right alongside your normal PC life. Want to switch from Sonic to streaming Netflix? Done. But here's the truth. On older PCs, it might feel a bit sluggish. It's like trying to run a race with a backpack full of Windows apps. So which one should you go for? Batocera is perfect if you want a dedicated, streamlined retro experience with no distractions. RetroBat is for the folks who want flexibility, retro games alongside everything else. Simple, right? Choose what fits your style. Don't forget to like and subscribe, unless of course you're too busy playing retro games now, which I totally understand.